YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the new and latest version for the portable LCD DIY dual USB power bank. It uses 18650 battery, lithium ion. I got this case on eBay for $4.77. Compared to those two, it's about $2 less than $3. Because this is a newer version, so that's why I want to get it. Oh, it's kind of scratch. So as you can see, LCD display. Let's go ahead and get this out. So this is the pink one. Oh. And then they come with this screen protector. You just need to peel this off and then put it on there. I just wanted to test this out real quick. So this one is pretty simple and easy, but it costs you more. But this one has 2 extra cells. This is the 8 cell compared to this 2 that I have is 6 cells. Okay, and all you do is just put this in those spring loader. Wow, and it powers on. And it shows 94%. That is pretty awesome. Okay, I'm ready to install the batteries pack into the case, or the casing. You want to make sure you're going to protect this circuit board. I'm going to put a strip of this wire tape around it. I'm going to use this cutter. I just put on the battery because it's gonna hit. So I'm just gonna put one strip right here so it doesn't hit the display. Just cut the excess out. So this will be facing toward the board for that battery. And then I'm going to cut a strip and all the way to plastic that's on the side. And I'm going to put like 3 strips. Hopefully that's not too much of overkill. All right, that should look good. So the one that I'd put the tape on the side, I'm gonna put this right here, the first one, toward the LCD. And then I'm gonna pop in just the rest of them in there. Be sure the positive terminal is right there. You don't want to mix it or it's gonna explode, okay? Then I'm gonna put it over here. And all you do is just snap it on, and that's it. Make sure all the holes are matching. Go. All right, and that's it. Still back to 92%. All right, YouTube. So this is my customized Adidas and Los Angeles Dodgers, and also, you know what, the Supreme power bank for your tablet, smartphone, and or any other device that using the charging port through the USB. All right. So I had to use my X-Acto knife to cut it open, these openings, and measure just right so the Supreme will sit on top of this 8 cells 18650 power bank, portable power bank. And then here's the other side of it. I got the extra strip, so I just put it evenly. So give it like a flesh look. And these are the stickers that got this out of eBay a long time ago that I slapped it on the beverage cup. And these are some of the decals. These are the decals that I got from Adidas store. And then I purchased this on the eBay. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it thumbs up for this short video on how I customize this Supreme Adidas and then LA Dodgers power bank. Hopefully Dodgers gonna win the World Series this year. Wish them luck. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.